To invite Shri Manish Jain, Shri Manager, PKR Jain Girls High School Managing Committee to deliver the school report and overview our progress, our growth and the road ahead. So dear audience, let's give a warm welcome to our manager, sir.
Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished dignitaries, respected members of the Managing Committee, our revered principals, esteemed teachers, dear parents, beloved alumni, and my dear students. A very warm Jai Jinendra and heartfelt greetings to all. एक छोटी सी कली से यह ज्ञान का उपवन खिला, जहाँ हर युग में नारी शिक्षा का दीप प्रज्वलित रहा. Today, in the year 2025, we gather to celebrate not just an occasion, but a glorious journey of 75 years of our esteemed institution. In the year 1950, under the divine inspiration of Acharya Puja Shri Kanshi Ramji Maharaj, a small seed of learning was sown, a seed watered with dedication, discipline, and dreams. And today, that seed has grown into a mighty tree of knowledge, giving shade and shelter to those who have walked through its gates. Its sole objective was to promote women's education, empower with knowledge and self-reliance and dignity in the society. जहाँ साधन सीमित थे, वहाँ संकल्प असीम था. जहाँ कक्षाएं छोटी थी, वहाँ सपने बहुत बड़े थे. In 1950, when educational resources were scarce, Shrimati Kodibai ji generously donated a building on Patel Road, from where the school began as an ordinary primary school with only 69 students, and it was upgraded to high school in 1962, which further evolved into a senior secondary school in 1987. Today, it has grown into an institution that shapes minds, builds character, and inspires generations. It has been a temple of learning, a garden of growth, and a launchpad for life. As per upgraded education system, the school offers comprehensive education in arts, commerce, medical, non-medical streams, educating more than 2,300 students while upholding its legacy in discipline, equality, and values. When we look around, we see doctors, engineers, artists, entrepreneurs, bureaucrats like Ms. Sarika, and saints like our Sadhvi Smriti Ji Maharaj, and so on. All alumni of this very institution, we realize that our efforts were never in vain. The greatest strength of any institution lies in the trust of parents. Back in 1974-75, when lack of space forced our school to function in 2 shifts, our parents continued to extend their faith and unwavering support. Over these decades, our teachers have been the architects of success, our students the shining star, and our parents the unwavering pillar of support. Together we have built not just a school, but a family bound by knowledge, values, and dreams. विश्वास ने थामे रखा मनोबल का धागा, कठिन समय भी ना टूटा विद्यालय संघीय नाता. Our allied institutions stand as a shining beacon of education across Ambala. PKR Jain Senior Secondary Public School, PKR Jain Vatika Senior Secondary School, PKR Jain College of Education, and in healthcare we also have PKR Jain Healthcare Institute. पूज्य श्री जी के आशीर्वाद से जो ज्ञान की नदियाँ धर्मशाला से निकली थी, वो आज मिलकर एक सागर का रूप ले चुकी हैं. Our pride, our extraordinary journey would have been incomplete without our students, the heart and soul of this institution, who have not just filled classrooms, but also filled history with their achievements. From academics to arts, from sports to science, from leadership to social service, our children have shown everywhere. Each one of them carries a piece of school's values, hard work, humility, and humanity. On 3rd November 1974, 7 students, Girl Guides, received President's Award from then President Shri Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed for participation in the 7th All India National Jamboree. Under the Azadi Ka Set Amrit Mahotsav, as a part of Azadi Set program, the school was among 75 schools selected from across the country, and 10 students from our institution were chosen as young scientists under Space Kids India initiative. The chip designed by these students was also launched as a part of the satellite. Our students also participated in Celesta 2023, an international cultural event at City Montessori School, Lucknow. There our school bagged first position among 91 countries in the folk dance category. उन दीपों की ज्योति आज भी हमारी प्रेरणा है जिनसे विद्यालय की पहचान उज्जवल हुई है. This proud tradition continues even today, whether in state or national level sports, scientific innovation or academic excellence. Our students consistently bring glory and recognition to the school. हमारी बेटियां केवल अंक नहीं लाती, वे विद्यालय की प्रतिष्ठा, संस्कृति और स्वाभिमान को साथ लेके चलती हैं. The world is changing faster with technology, innovation and global citizenship shaping the new era of education. To meet the demands of the current curriculum, our school have made several progressive reforms to enhance the quality of education. Our classrooms have been transformed into smart classes where interactive board-based teaching makes historical and educational topic interactive, visual and engaging. Our mission is not only to teach but to ignite curiosity, courage and compassion in every child to enter in the school community. As we step forward from 75 years of achievement, let us pledge we will remain committed to nurturing curiosity, compassion, courage in every student. Our teachers will continue to inspire not just mind but hearts. अब किताबें बोलती हैं, चित्र सिखाते हैं और तकनीक से ज्ञान का पथ हर सरल हो जाता है. Our future will be guided by the same spirit that has sustained us for 75 years, a spirit of excellence, inclusivity and hope. हम हीरक से शताब्दी की ओर नहीं, उत्कृष्टता से अमरता की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं. As we stand here today, surrounded by memories of the past and dreams of the future, one feeling fills my heart, that is gratitude. Gratitude to our founders whose vision lit the first lamp of learning 75 years ago. Gratitude to our teachers who shaped young minds with patience and love. Gratitude to our parents who trusted us with their children's future. And gratitude to our students and alumni who have carried the name of the school with pride and honor across the world. With folded hands, I pray to the Almighty that this institution continues to excel with each passing day. यह विद्यालय केवल ईंटों की दीवार नहीं, यह पीढ़ियों के सपनों से बनी एक जीवित विरासत है. Let's carry this spirit forward from platinum to diamond and beyond. With these thoughts, I once again extend a heartfelt welcome and felicitation to all. Your gracious presence, love and blessings have made this celebration truly divine. Thank you, Jai Jinendra.